Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.